Just been called out to this mixer shower. It's constantly on, constantly running, so it's going to be replaced. I can feel metal grinding on metal when I'm turning it, so it's best to replace the whole lot. So I'll just show you the fault. Turn the water on. As you can see, it's working even though it's turned off. So it is going from hot to cold, but you turn it off and it just stays on. So probably a seal gone or something, the valve's gone inside. But I can feel it, it's really stiff. So she's an old lady as well, so it's best to replace it. So for this one, I'm just going to take this off. First of all, I'll measure the part distances, the centre to centre line for the replacement, and then I'll just take it off. Then I'm going to strip this down and try and have a look inside of it on the next video. Right, that's it. I'm going to take this mixer valve off. All you really need, obviously I've turned them parts off down there. Just inline service valves, just turn them so that the slot is running the opposite way to the pipe. So. Okay, so I've turned the water off at the isolation valves. Let's go and do the compression nuts. Take it off. Basically, I've took that off as well. Just make sure you don't lose the rubber's on the floor, but I want to replace the whole lot, so it don't matter. This is hanging loose, it just glued it to the wall, so makes it a bit easier to remove, but really should be screwed to the wall properly. And then you undo a nut at the bottom and it should pull free, but I'm just going to take it off, chuck it away. So I've already unloosened these a bit. It's just one side, just a compression olive. Same this side. That should just pull off. That's it, as you can see. Normally you'd undo that grub screw and pull it free, but I'm going to start again with this one. Measure the centre holes for your replacement. Then when you refit it, just refit it. I'd use new olives, use new compression joints, make sure you do all new seals, and actually screw it to the wall rather than just drill the holes in. But that's it, I'm going to strip this one down now on the next video.